Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add links to your Linktree. Now I'm going to add the link to my Instagram profile and a random video on YouTube. First let's go for Instagram. So open up Instagram. Now once you're at Instagram, come to your profile section by clicking on your profile picture at the bottom right here. And in here click on share profile and this pop-up will show up. Now in here click on copy link. After the link has been copied, go back to Linktree. In here click on add link and just simply paste in that code and click on add. So as you guys can see, my Instagram link has been added to my Linktree. Now let's go for a YouTube video. So for that purpose, open up YouTube. Now let's say I want to add this video to my Linktree. For that purpose, click on these three dots right here, and in here click on share, and in here click on copy link. After the link has been copied, go back to Linktree, click on add link, and simply just paste the link, click on add. And as you guys can see, that link has also been added. You can do the same for other accounts like Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. You just have to go to the profiles and copy your links from there, and after that just paste them in and you've got yourself your Linktree. So that is how you can add links in Linktree. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your links on Linktree. So first of all, open up Linktree. Now once you're at Linktree, in here click on add link, and in this URL window you have to paste in the link that you want on Linktree. For example, I'll be adding my Facebook link and a link to a random video on YouTube. First, let's get my Facebook link. For that purpose, go to Facebook and make sure that you are at your profile. Now in here, just simply copy this URL right here. Copy it, go back to Linktree and just paste it in and click on add. And as you guys can see, my Facebook name and Facebook profile has been added via link on Linktree. Now let's go for a YouTube video. I'll be going for, let's say, this video. Just click on these three dots. In here, click on share. And in here, copy this link. After the link has been copied, go back to Linktree, click on add link again, and just paste it there. Click on add again. And as you guys can see, the YouTube video link has also been added. So that is how you can add links on Linktree.